This is question number 12 on the GCSE 9 to 1 Maths AQA Paper 3 Foundation Tier for the June 2019 series, and it is a calculator paper. This is question number 12, guys. The first four triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, ... Circle the next triangular number. Well, the numbers are 14, 15, 16, 19. So let's work out what we add each time. So 1 to 3, I'm going to add 2. 3 to 6, I'm going to add 3. 6 to 10, I'm going to add 4. So it's always adding a extra amount each time. So the next term, I'm going to be adding 5. So the next term in my triangular number sequence, okay, is 10 plus 5, which is 15. So I'm going to circle the number 15, which is option number 2, guys. Okay, this is question number 13. Write down all the prime numbers between 40 and 50. So a prime number, the definition of a prime number is it has two factors only, one and itself. Okay, so in between 40 and 50. So 41 is a prime number, okay, because it doesn't have any other factors apart from 1 and 41. So 41 is a prime number. Sorry, it should be like a 40 there, guys. Sorry. Okay, 42 is not a prime number because it's even, so I can divide it by 2. 43 is prime. Oh, it should be a 4 there, guys. Sorry. Okay, 44 isn't prime because it's even, so I can divide it by 2. 45 is not prime because I can divide it by 5 and 9. 46 isn't prime because it's even, so I can half it, divided by 2. 47 is prime because there are no factors that go into 47 apart from 1 in itself. 48 isn't prime because it's even. 49 is not prime because it's a square number because it divides by 7. Okay, so 7 sevens are 49, or 7 times 7 is 49. So they are all the prime numbers in between 40 and 50. Okay, so 40 isn't prime either because it's even number, and 50 isn't prime either because it's an even number. So I can half or divide by 2 for both of them. Okay, so the three numbers are 41, 43, and 47. So remember that the definition of a prime number, guys, just to be clear actually, is it has two factors only, one in itself. Okay, 1 is not a prime number, 2 is my only even prime number. Okay, and then you would look at the times tables this year. So like look at each number and see what the factors of each number are for you to determine if it's a prime number or not. So 41, 43, and 47, those numbers all only have two factors, 1 in itself. Okay, so 1 in itself go into that particular number. This is question number 15. Circle the correct statement. So a third is less than or equal to 30%, a third equals 30%, a third is less than 30%, or a third doesn't equal 30%. Well, remember that it is a calculator paper, guys. Actually, yes. So 1 divided by 3 is 1/3, which is 0.3 reoccurring, so 0.333333, etc., etc. If I multiply the decimal by 100, I get 33.333333, so on and so forth. So 33.3 reoccurring, that's bigger than, okay, 30%. So it can't be the first option or the third option. It also can't be the second option because a third is not equal to 30%. So it has to be option 4, which is a third does not equal 30%. Okay, so a third is actually bigger than 30%. Okay, so it rules out option 1, option 3, and the third does not equal 30%. Okay, so a third is equal to 33.3 reoccurring, or 3 with a dot on top. That means reoccurring. Okay, so that is my answer for that one, guys. Okay.